What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day or night. In today's video, I have found footages. And this footages is at VC Meet in Vancouver. And this VC Meet that I always plan on wanting to go a lot of times. And it's always my dream to go to VC Meet. And I'm glad I made it there. So I brought my GoPro and do a POV footage, right? Until I lost it. And I'm like, okay, well, rest in peace that. And I'm like, well, I don't think it was really that important anyway, because I only got this guy, and then this is like the only one battery I have. So, technically, it's a skill issue for me. I don't know why I'm joking about this, but it is a skill issue for me for having one battery. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish I had multiple batteries for this camera, well, my GoPro, but it's okay. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this POV footages. We do have more footages on the way. I still need to edit those photos. There's one of them that happened, I think it was before VC Meet or after. It was definitely before, because I remember talking to my buddy about it. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next whatever video, because I'm gonna try my best to film everything is possible for content just for fun until I make some money, if there's a way. I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway, enjoy the video. Yes, sir. I got the POV footage ready to go.
Nice. These cars are so sick. Yeah.
It's a Max.
GT3 is
It's a lot
the
of
guy in the flip flop. Yeah, and then his wife. And then the guy in the flip flops. He also drove his Gallardo. Living, working, you know, the fun stuff.
Hey, Max.
I feel like I should get a picture of these cars, of the front right here, and use that for the thumbnail.
That's what I was thinking.
Ooh, yeah, I'll do that. I'll wait for this car. Unless, ooh, do you think your camera would be better quality, or?
Do you want to use mine? Do you want
You
to
can
just
take a picture, and I'll take a picture as well.
yeah, just to see what you think. So let's see where you like that.
Yeah, if you can try and get it when like it's not so crowded, but whatever.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, whatever works.
I'm gonna continue to get my montage real quick.
Yeah, go for it. Get while it's possible.
Okay.
You. Hi. Hi.
What's up, dude?
What's up? Hey.
Who are you with?
So I was with Cam. He's a small YouTuber, and then my buddy Ethan. He should be showing up very soon. I wonder where he's at. I haven't seen his car. What?
Who is he? The one with the dog, black hoodie.
I have no clue.
Seems like he looks famous. Like,
Really?
That's his
Oh, you.
GTR in the back.
Mhm.
That's his GTR all the way.
Yeah, that's Cam.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That thing's sick.
I know.
More shots. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Dude,
This place is always popping.
first time here.
Not for PZ.
Yeah.
This is my second.
Oh yeah, get some shots.
Yeah, I'm trying to get shots as possible. I was gonna do a little video for him, but he decided to change a little bit of mind, which is fine because I'm his editor. I'm just his video editor. Where photometer at? Where is it? Oops. I'm trying to find my other photometer. He said he was gonna be here at 5:32. I haven't seen his car pull in.
Look at the Hayabusa.
Okay. Where are you at? Yeah. It was a drunk night and left their car there. I mean, they never went back to get it. And then the dude that was shaving on the side mirror, did you see that? No, I didn't. So we were sitting getting coffee and we looked over. Full foamed out with a blade. Shaving, looking at the side mirror, and this dude was standing next to his bus. I was like, really halfway down, the guy's like, get away from my car. I was like, at least he's keeping up, you know? Yeah. At least he's keeping up with the parents. Probably has to drop out. At Amazon order. The car, if you don't buy it 2019 or 20 because they're just like shit, they will fall apart. They're like ceramic wheels and the turbos are so crazy. So, how's yours? I was just about to call you. Oh, if you're right in front of the door, I'll head that direction. Give me like 5 seconds. I'm like literally in front of. I'm literally right in front of you. I'm looking for him too.
Dude,
yeah.
This is freaking sick.
Welcome to Portland. Your first time Portland, the first time VC meet.
Yep. Double whammy.
Double whammy.
Bro, I love that.
Yeah.
And this. And that. And this. And
There's
that.
an art through for here too.
Oh,
Yeah. I'm telling you, you're gonna get a lot of photo content here.
dude, look at this.
I know. I wish I had, like, look at the line. This is like, this is very white.
Yeah.
Like, this is like, I like it, but at the same time, like, eh.
I know, I've got everything in here.
Yeah.
I also got this because I'm like, if I'm doing rollers, I want something like a strap to go around my neck.
I mean, I can also do this too, like this, so it should be pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's just, I'm just not used to yet. I also want to make sure nothing else is falling apart. Yeah. So they're gonna set up the DJ as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing photos and videos. So the video is only going for Cam's video because I'm an editor. So I don't know where Cam is right now. I think he's on that side. So I think he's gonna start here and he's gonna slowly go this way.
I'm down to follow you, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, do you want to get this first because this is like very popular, or do you want to like wait?
It's gonna be busy regardless. I say we go over there.
Okay.
As much people.
Yeah, because I got some shots, but it's just hard to get to.
Yeah.
And work around lists as well. Because this is like a vendor slash everything. So my buddy's like, oh my god, this is a Honda. No, it's a Miata. I might have a Honda engine. You know what I mean? Like maybe a Honda engine, but yeah.
I want to do a car where I do a cutout like that, but I want to put trim around the edge and everything.
Oh yeah, it is a Honda engine. You can tell.
Damn, they got the red chrome, bro. That looks straight out of. That
guy, the beard and everything else, he owns that.
Oh, okay. That looks straight out of video.
I know. Yeah, you wanna start with this RA and just, I mean, there's all these cars over here too.
Just start all the way on that side and head left.
Okay, and then all the way left.
Yeah.
Okay.
And once we get
Because
over there, I'm gonna.
are you doing the POV too? Because come on, I'm doing POV. No.
I didn't charge the battery.
I have. Oh wait. Oh yeah.
And so yeah, it's in my car, but it's like I didn't charge the battery. That's a solid start right there. Lime green too. Damn.
And that way I don't have to like take my GoPro off and everything else. I can just look at my phone how much battery there is.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm not gonna get everything around here. That's for sure. I don't know what's gonna tell me. I'm at 54% already.
Oh damn.
Yeah, it's gonna be like down quick.
Right, this is it.
Is that the everyday filter?
I think this one's the everyday filter.
Okay. Excuse me, but what the fuck is that?
Why is it?
Huh?
I was just wondering why on earth that guy's over here.
Oh, but this one. Yeah, it's at 54, 53.
Jeez.
Yeah, this.
You just leaving it on right now?
I have it on right now.
Oh, okay.
That's why I have this too. That way I can just like stop recording and then I can just let this thing charge and then go from there.
Dude, this one, these filters are way nicer. Like they got much bigger ridges to grip than the other one. So it's like I can always get them off, which is so nice.
Oh, the brake lights actually worked. I was like, oh, there was a ruin in the shot. Nope, he put the brake lights on, so it's perfect.
I have to put this back in. And look, closing this thing is so nice. You just pull it down.
I need something like that because I have this charging thing, like this.
Oh, the battery.
Yeah, and then literally I can just like, if I'm not gonna use this GoPro, just put it in, plug it in, and just let it charge and go back.
Also, look at this.
God damn,
Yeah,
this
I
guy.
got pockets here.
This guy's better than me. This guy's better than me.
Yeah, look what's in here too.
Oh my god. You got more? Oh my.
Got another pocket there with stuff.
You just have everything.
Yeah. Hold up, you want a business card? I got it.
You want a business card? I got it.
You want a lens caps? I got it. Look. Oh yeah, hold on. Here, I brought this for you.
Oh, what's this? Oh, the lens cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got one other thing for you.
Oh, another one.
I got two of these. It came one with each lens, and they're big. So.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's what we need. There we go. Now we got upgrades.
Yeah, I was like, I've already got one. Shoot, I don't need another.
We got upgrades.
Yeah,
that's
so
all I
now-
need.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't think I put a battery or an SD card in here. Oh, I got an SD card. Oh, and a battery. How much does a battery have? Probably not much. Oh, 41%.
There you go.
Alright, I've got at least 2 or 3 more full batteries.
Yeah, so
this is from when I was...
Yeah, so the
testing.
cars are going to be going like crazy. So there's not a lot of parking. People just drive around.
Yeah.
They do that a lot.
Alright, let's get some photos of this thing on.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Settings are whack because I've got it up to
I need to fix this.
F22.
It's 22. My God, this guy wants to focus like everything. Get the good white balance.
Ooh, daylight's looking fine right now.
Right? I mean, let me check what.
Space to get a full side shot? What is this? Our cameras are so similar.
There you go.
to
You got that RA showing up too.
The R8, forget the R8. Look at that!
Look at that! This guy.
That thing costs triple the R8 probably. This is dream shoot right here.
You need better fucking angle. There we go. That looks a better one. And there comes the car.
Well, we're back. We're back here. I know. I should have charged my GoPro. It's a skill issue for me. Every time I talk about skill issue. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video and everything else. I am planning on doing another photo shoot later today as I'm recording this. So I'm excited to do that after this. So yeah. Anyway, here's a couple other photos that I'm just gonna pop up everywhere, whenever. I don't know where. Just
everywhere. There's other photos, but I wish I charged my GoPro because that was like a 3-4+ hour car meet. It was a crazy car meet. So I'm excited about it. For the 10th anniversary for VC 2025. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, whatever you guys need to do. You know how I do with Cam Video Hayes videos. Just like, subscribe, whatever you guys do. But anyway, I will catch you guys in the next whatever video. I don't know, it's going to be this video I'm going to be working on for the one I'm doing today when I'm recording this or whatever. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy and I will catch you guys next time. So peace.